Welcome to Alternative Formats. This tutorial will go over the process of submitting requests for learning materials in alternative formats, how to access converted textbooks, and how to use the software. MyAccess is a great resource to keep track of textbook requests for both yourself and our staff. You are able to see which textbooks our staff are working on converting. Supplying a syllabus for each class in which you have requested alternative print accommodations is a great way to let our staff know which readings you need converted. Before the conversion process begins, you are required to prove that you own a copy of the textbook. Receipts can be uploaded to MyAccess directly under the list of requested books. If you do not have a receipt, please ask us about a certificate of book ownership to supplement a receipt. This page is also helpful to track the status of your book. Here you can find out if our staff is waiting on information from you or your instructor, if a syllabus is requested, if we're waiting to hear back from your textbook publisher, if a file needs to be converted, if a book needs to be cut and/or scanned, or if your request has been completed. If you ever have any questions on how the conversion process is going, this is a great place to check first. If you use Kurzweil as an accommodation, you will be given login credentials and instructions for accessing Kurzweil following your alt print intake. This information will be sent to your WSU email. The following slides will focus on how to use your Kurzweil from a web browser. We commonly refer to this platform as Firefly. If you have been notified that a Kurzweil file has been uploaded, you can find the file on the homepage of the Kurzweil 3000 website. To find files, open the drop-down menu under your name. Files will always be uploaded to the private folder. When listening to your textbook, the rewind, skip forward, and play/pause button can be used to navigate the text. Kurzweil also offers a variety of reading voices, and the pace at which the text is read can be personalized to match your preferences. Important words or phrases that you may wish to return to can be bookmarked using Kurzweil. Kurzweil also allows you to organize your notes using the highlighter feature. Highlighter settings allow you to customize the tiles of the different colored highlighters, allowing you the ability to color code. The View feature allows you to change the display of the reading to meet your viewing preferences. Document Notes allows you to type annotations onto the reading. The I button found in the drop-down menu allows for your notes to be hidden or displayed, so other text does not have to be covered. A standard dictionary, picture dictionary, and a translator can be found under the References function of Kurzweil. When a word is selected, Kurzweil can generate a standard dictionary definition, supply a definition using a graphic, or translate the selected word into whichever language you choose. Finally, the desktop version of Kurzweil has options for exporting the reading or notes. This can be found under the Tools section. The entire document can be downloaded, or there's also an option to extract only the notes and highlights you have made, which is intended to help you with studying the material. The software version of Kurzweil looks different but functions in the same way as Firefly. To open files from this version of Kurzweil, you will need to click File, then Open from Library. Like on the web version, to find your file, you should open the drop-down folder under your name and browse the private folder. While Kurzweil files cannot be uploaded to OneDrive, this is the platform we use to upload other digital versions of classroom materials. Unlike Kurzweil, where you have to receive login credentials to access, you simply log in using your WSU credentials that you would use to access MyWSU or your student email. Once logged into OneDrive, click on Shared, then Shared with Me. All files that have been shared with you over OneDrive should appear. If you don't recognize the name of the sender, it may be one of our student staff. Frequently asked questions. Number 1. Why do some books take longer than others? Some textbooks have been converted for other students already and can be delivered quite quickly. Some reasons other textbooks may take longer is if we cannot get a hold of the publisher, cannot find the textbook in a database, or the textbook doesn't come in a digital format. When would I ever have to cut a book? We only cut books if there is no digital file of the text available. Some books can be scanned while still bound, others need to be cut to increase efficiency and legibility of the scans. Number 3. Do I have the option to try different formats? Yes. Many students have their preferences, and we are happy to help you find yours. If your current format isn't working for you or you need any clarification, please reach out to our office. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the office you are working with. If you are a Spokane student, call 509-358-7534 or email spokane.disability@wsu.edu. For Vancouver students, call 360-546-9238 or email van.access.center@wsu.edu. For Pullman, Global Campus, Everett, Bremerton, and Prosser students, call 509-335-3417 or email access.center@wsu.edu.